If you drive a Porsche, you probably already know how expensive dealership service fees can get. But before you rush to the shop, wait. Today we're unboxing the iCarsoft POR V4.0 to see how it can help you run full system diagnostics right at home. Right on the front of the box, you can see it comes preloaded with software for Porsche. But that's not all. You can also download 2 additional vehicle make groups for free to cover even more cars. You can choose any 2 out of these 26 vehicle groups. The side and back of the box highlight its features. The POR V4.0 supports full system diagnostics, auto VIN recognition, and comes with 9 hot service functions plus 19 advanced service functions, making it perfect even for professional technicians. Now, let's open up the box. Inside, it comes with a high-quality carrying case, which is perfect for keeping everything clean and organized in your garage or trunk. Then we have the main unit itself, featuring a beautiful 5-inch HD touchscreen that feels great in the hand. The build quality feels solid and rugged, completely ready for a real workshop environment. You also get an OBD2 diagnostic cable to securely connect to your vehicle, a comprehensive user manual in 6 languages, English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Dutch, and a durable USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Once you connect to Wi-Fi, you're greeted by the main home screen. Let's break down the main options. Diagnostics. Tap here and you'll find dedicated diagnostic software for Porsche, along with a standard OBD2 option for complete full system health checks. Service. In the service menu, you have access to over 28 essential service functions. The most common ones like oil reset, EPB brake pad reset, and BMS are all right here. Update. This is where you update your device to the latest software version. It's also where you claim your 2 free extra vehicle groups. For example, you could download the Audi group and the BMW group to expand your garage's capabilities. Or just pick whatever fits your garage. User data. Heading into user data lets you read the digital user manual or look up specific fault codes in the built-in library. Settings. Finally, in settings, you can customize your preferences and choose from 15 different languages. An all-in-one powerhouse that saves you trips to the dealer. Click the link below to grab yours, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tech reviews. See you next time!